What's up everybody? So today we're back on the EF project. As you can see, this engine bay is nasty. So I think before I do anything, I'm just going to take the shop vac, vacuum it out lightly, just to make it look a little bit better while we do this. But our goal for today is to just see if this thing will run. The person I got it from is pretty confident that it was just a bad distributor. He said he had replaced this one before, and he thinks it just went out again, is why he had parked it. But luckily he did take the negative off the battery, so maybe our battery's still like okay. I do have a jump box and all that stuff for it. And if this is the problem, I want to replace this with a factory like Honda distributor. And before I go and spend the money to get a replacement, I just got on Amazon and grabbed a OBD0 to OBD1 distributor jumper, because I have this old OBD1 distributor laying around, and we're just going to use that to verify that that is the problem. This car has been sitting for like 10 years, so there's a high chance I'm probably going to have to like drop the gas tank and do a fuel pump and all that stuff. But I just want to try this real quick. Probably going to end up being a kind of short video, but if it does show some signs of life, this will kind of point me in the right direction for where to go in future videos, and then, you know, get it over here on the lift and be able to get the gas tank out and all that stuff. But anyways, I'm going to shop back the engine bay real quick, and then we'll get on this. Well, this thing's gonna take a long time to get this engine bay looking good. I can sit here and keep doing this for a lot of hours. But let's go ahead and get this distributor changed out. Alright, got the OBD1 EG distributor on there, so I'm just going to hook up the jumper and then throw the battery pack on there, and we'll see what happens. Alright. Ooh. The jump pack's dead. Uh-oh. Grabbed the battery out of my gambler car. I lifted EK. Hopefully this battery's got a charge in it. We got power. Well, that battery didn't have much life in it. Well, I'm going to have to go charge the jump pack. So I guess I'll just come back down here tomorrow after work and give it another shot. But it seemed to turn over pretty good for the few seconds that the battery had power. So, I don't know. It might run. We'll see. Alright. Got the jump box all charged up. So let's try this again. Unfortunately, I do not hear a fuel pump. Alright, disconnect the battery. I'm going to crack the fuel rail and see if there's any fuel pressure. Well, the fuel rail is dry. So it looks like I'm going to have to drop the tank and do a fuel pump and clean out all the fuel system and everything. Which, I mean, that's not surprising. This car did sit for 10 years with half a tank of gas in it. Okay, so last thing I want to do is I want to actually check the spark. So I'm just going to pull a spark plug out, stick a screwdriver in it, turn it over and see what happens. Hit it again. Nope. Well, it ain't got no spark either. So that tells me pretty much what I need to know, though. This was just a diagnostics video to figure out where the car's at as far as running and stuff. So it looks like it needs fuel and spark. So I guess next thing will be get it up on the lift. Start with dropping the tank, or maybe we'll chase the spark issue first. It might even be something as simple as main relay. I don't know. But we'll definitely check into all that stuff. So I was really hoping that this was going to be an easy fix and get up and running quick, but unfortunately that's not going to happen. So I guess we'll leave it off right there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.